Hi, I'm David Rooks. I'm running for the council elections for the Island Ward, and there are 16 questions I'm about to respond to. And hopefully at the end of those questions you will understand a little bit more about me, what I stand for and what I plan to offer in the next 4 years if elected. I've got the first question, which is about Pickle and the support services they provide. And I'd like to say that the previous council has done a fantastic job in helping Pickle out. They have got them a new piece of property which is next to the old Worley Hospital, and on that premises they looked at having a premises of around 440 square metres. This has now been needed to change because Pickle services have increased. I know the councillors have put towards 1.5 million towards that service of that building at 440 square metres, but they're going to have to find some additional funding to get to the 550 square metres, which is what they're currently looking to get through a permit. The services that Pickle supply or provide to the community are just fantastic, and they are very important services that include everyone within our community. Some of the services they provide are the U3A for the older people. They provide a Women's Connect service. They provide workplace training, education, Centrelink. They also provide a food bank. And of course, some of these have been critically important through the COVID-19 that we're experiencing. I'm fully supportive of Pickle and the services they provide, and will do everything I can to help them out in continuing providing the services if I get elected. Thank you.